Hello everybody, how you doing? I want all of you to subscribe to my channel, please, because it's giving me energy to produce more videos and more tutorials. Thank you very much, guys. So at this tutorial, I want to learn you how to shut down your computer. When you want to shut down your computer, you are typically may choose Windows and power button and shutdown. It's a little bit boring, isn't it? So let's make an easy way. Create a shortcut, type at this text box something like code, let me say shutdown space dash s space dash t and space 0, sorry, dash s space dash t space 0. So that's it. If you double click on this shortcut, it will shut down your computer. So you can change item but this at this way. So this icon, so choose this icon, apply, okay. So when you can even uh, bring it to taskbar and delete the other shortcut. When you click on it, your computer will shut down. Thanks. Subscribe for more tutorials, guys. Thank you very much.